telégrafo. This is a very active area. So surrounded by some hotels, we have the boulevard in here. Okay, having like cafeterias with some places, shops. Some of those shops, government shops, are closed today. So you haven't noticed that there are many closed places because those are holidays, okay, for us. But that's a nice place. We love this. We continue watching to the right, and we have Alicia Alonso Great Theater of La Habana. This beautiful building to the right, housing the Cuban Ballet School. Capitol Building, the Capitol Building, recently reopened after a long time restoration. So was inaugurated in 1930, May the 20th. May the 20th. It's housing the Cuban Parliament. It's a beautiful building. It's offering guided visits to this place. If you want to learn about the history of Cuba through beautiful halls, rooms, that's a very, very interesting place. So with the help of different Cuban and foreign companies and organizations, so the Capitol building was recently restored. So the dome has pure gold donated by the Russian government. Monument dedicated to La Habana, that's the Indian statue over there. Havana, for many writers and poets, it seemed like a beautiful lady having some native or Indian physical feature as well as European ones. Okay, remember the name of the capital is feminine, Habana, La Habana, and that's a monument dedicated to this beautiful city. If you saw Fast and Furious, have you seen the saga? Fast and Furious with Vin Diesel? Yes, I mean the part number 8, if I remember well. So that movie starts precisely near the fountain dedicated to La Habana, where one guy representing a Cuban man, so it's fighting with Toretto's brother and challenged the guy to have a race, and the winner is going to keep a beautiful vintage car from La Habana. Okay, if you saw that part, so you're gonna remember some of those places. Fast and Furious 8 or 7. Chinatown is precisely at this side. Yes, couldn't see from here the entrance, but we have the typical architecture, decoration of a Mandarin style. So we had in the past a Chinese community, and when we talk about the formation of the Cuban nation, we have to mention the Chinese. So during the 18th century, when precisely slavery was prohibited all over the world, so the Spanish didn't want to get rid of slaves because they were providing them with a lot of money. Okay, they were working for them, the sugarcane industry, coffee, cacaos, chocolate, gold, and many other things. So was prohibited by the Spanish, decided to bring all the people to work for them. That was the moment where the Cantonese were brought to the island and to the continent. Okay, different flows of Cantonese, all men, were brought here. They were cheating. So the Spanish told them that they were about to come to this area, the New World, for working and making money to help to support their family. But they never allowed them to go back. Okay, that was the reason why we have in this area Chinatown, because at that time they started creating their communities in the places where they were brought. Okay, we don't have like Chinatown, okay, the big community of Chinese today, but we continue calling that area, that neighborhood, Chinatown. Okay.